In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Docusign Powerforms and explore a better alternative in 2024. As we venture through this process, I'll guide you step by step, making sure it's both easy to follow and thorough. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Docusign website, the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. It's a reliable platform that thousands of businesses use worldwide for secure and efficient transactions. Once you're on their homepage, the first thing you need to do is locate the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials, so go ahead and sign in using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the simple registration steps they offer. After logging in, navigate your way to the Docusign home. This is your dashboard where you can manage all your activities within Docusign. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you access to all features you might need for handling your documents. Once the homepage is loaded completely, look for the Agreements section. Clicking on it will open up a host of options related to the contracts and agreements you might be handling. It's a comprehensive list that's well organized to help you easily manage what you're working on. Next, find the Powerforms section, typically located within the Documents or Agreements tab. Powerforms are incredibly versatile tools that allow you to create self-service documents for your recipients to fill out at their own pace. This feature is especially useful for forms that require a high volume of responses without direct supervision. Now here's a crucial step. If you're new to Powerforms or looking to unlock more advanced features, you need to click on the Upgrade button. Docusign offers different plans tailored to varying business needs, and upgrading can provide you with more tools and functionalities to enhance how you manage your online transactions. And there you have it, you've just navigated through Docusign to set up your Powerforms. Remember, Powerforms are exceptional for increasing efficiency, particularly if you're managing a multitude of responses. With this guide, you can now create and manage your forms with confidence and ease. As you explore this feature, I suggest taking a look at other tools that might serve as a better alternative based on your specific needs. Features such as customization options, integration capabilities, and budget considerations are crucial in determining what works best for you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and insights about document management tools and beyond. Until next time, happy documenting.